Today's topic, print statement, huh? Or should I say print function, should I say print statement, or should I say print function, or should I say output statement, आउटपुट स्टेटमेंट। ठीक है, तो हमें क्या करना है बच्चों, हमें ये डिस्कस करना है कि आउटपुट स्टेटमेंट या प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट या प्रिंट फंक्शन हमारा क्या है। ठीक है, इफ वी रिक्वायर्ड एनी टाइप ऑफ आउटपुट, ठीक है, इफ वी रिक्वायर्ड एनी टाइप ऑफ आउटपुट वी यूज प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट, एंड यू नो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ print statement mode are there. Okay. Let we discuss with a small one. Just wait, I opening. Yeah. Okay. So the first form is print. Okay. Without any argument. Print without any argument. First is without any argument, means just use print statement directly. Without using any argument, if we use print statement, then what happens? It provides new line. ठीक है, ये हमें क्या करती है? न्यू लाइन प्रोवाइड करती है, और शुड आई से प्रोवाइड ए ब्लैंक न्यू लाइन। ठीक है, हाउ कैन वी इंप्लीमेंट? Just discussed after the second form. The second form is print function. It provides a blank new line. Second is what? Print statement second with string argument. What? String argument. And you know what is the string argument? String argument means anything enclosed with single quotation marks, double or triple quotation marks, you know that is the string. So any like this, any string argument, like suppose if I'm talking an example, print I am writing hello, ठीक है, programmers, hello programmers। Second is also possible, we can use escape characters with this string. Escape character, that is what? Backslash n and backslash t. Backslash n for new line, and backslash t for tab, or should I say tab space. Okay, I just implement and you can understand how can we use this all. Just I'm showing. Just I'm writing a print statement. Second form I'm using, and I'm writing here hello. Okay. Another print statement I'm using here. Yeah, hello programmers I'm using. Okay. And I run this code by using F5. Hello programmers is the output. Okay. At some place in this string, I'm using backslash n. You know what will be the output? Backslash n at this point, from this point, or should I say from this point, provide us a new line. Means hello in a single line, programmers in a new line. Just see hello and programmers. Okay. Understand the meaning of backslash n? At place of backslash n, I'm using like this again, and I'm using, so hello programmers is there. At place of backslash n, I'm using backslash t. Then what happened? Happening is this, you know, about a tab space. This is a single space, and this one is a tab space, more than the space. So in that case, what if I use \t here? So you can differentiate the output. You can differentiate the output. Hello tab space programmers. ठीक है, tab space programmer. Or I'm using more than one \t. So you can more clarity about this. So just wait F5 and hello space 3 tab space दे रखे हैं and programmers. Okay, you can now understand with the string you can provide \t as a escape sequence. escape character इनको कहते हैं जिसका नाम है \n मतलब new line and \t provide the tab space. Okay, another one is we can use with a print statement not only the string and string like I am using Arun plus Python. ठीक है, we can use directly concatenation as we discussed before. We can use concatenation. So I save this and I do F5, and if I do F5 the output will be there Arun plus Python. Okay, I am using Arun Python into 5. So what happen? Output will be Arun Python something like this 5 times. It will be repeated. What repeated will be there? Python will be repeated because I multiply with the Python only. Not with Arun. Okay, I multiplied this part only, not with Arun. So Arun Python, and after it Python 5 times will be there. Is it okay? So this type of operations we can perform. Okay, and this is the second type. The first type was the new line. I'm using print hello. ठीक है, I'm using that. Again I am using print opulent opulent educators. ठीक है, and I'm using it in the new line, in the new separate print statement opulent, and I'm using here print educators. ठीक है, let me see this output. Let me show this output. Just wait, and hello opulent educators in separate 3 lines. You know why? Just I am giving the new space, new run. So you know why this happening? Because this print statement, whenever we use print statement, every time in new line, whenever you use multiple print statement, every print statement coming with the new line. You know, hello is from one line, opulent is in other line, educators in the other line, like this. If my requirement is I use print statement here just without any argument, and same here I am also using print statement without any argument. Just see what is the difference between first one and second output. I am running this code and you can see hello by applying this print statement. Okay, can you see? Okay, by applying this print statement, this one print statement, we get a blank new line space. Okay, if we write, let's see, if we write one more print statement here, just see one more print statement here, then what happened? Two blank line space will be there. If you required any blank line space anywhere, so just use print statement without argument. It will give us a new line. Is it clear? Now the next things related to the print statement, you know, if I'm talking about I can print the value. Next statement with the print statement is, just wait, the next form is how can we print value from variable. ठीक है, तो वेरिएबल से कैसे वैल्यू प्रिंट करानी है ये हम समझते हैं. हाउ कैन वी प्रिंट वैल्यू फ्रॉम द वेरिएबल? सो आई हैव वेरिएबल a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and c equal to 30 I have. So I just write print a comma b comma c. You know what will be the output? Output will be 10 space 20 space 30. ठीक है, क्योंकि बाय डिफॉल्ट ठीक है मल्टीपल, देखिए कितने आर्ग्यूमेंट है यहाँ पर, 3 आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, 1 आर्ग्यूमेंट, 2 आर्ग्यूमेंट, 3 आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, 3 आर्ग्यूमेंट्स आर देयर, क्योंकि एवरी आर्ग्यूमेंट मस्ट सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमा. ओके, so 1 argument, 2 argument, 3 argument, 3 arguments are there, and the output will be 10 space 20 space 30. Because if you print any argument, that argument is separated by default space. क्या लेगा बीच में? एक सिंगल स्पेस लेगा. Let me show you. Just print. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, sorry. This is statement. You see 10 space 20 space 30. ठीक है. If I'm printing here some more value of a comma b comma c comma a comma b comma c comma b comma c comma इसको कर देंगे बंद, ठीक है, और यहां पर इसको बंद कर देंगे. You know what I mean? This is one argument. यहां से लेके यहां तक. This is one argument. This is what? A string argument. Okay. This is completely a one argument. This is what? A string argument. After it, separated by comma, another one is variable, again variable, again variable. ठीक है. This is one argument. This is argument number 2. This is 3, and this is 4. Total 4 arguments are there. ठीक है. And if I run this code, you can see if I run this code, what happened? Just wait. I need to be clear drawing. Just wait. F5 and okay. F5 and yeah. So you can see the output. Value of A, B, C. देखो क्या आ रहा है? Space आ रहा है. 10, 20, 30. ठीक है. Like this we can print. And if I am using some colon here, so output will be like this. Just wait. I do F5 and here 10. देखिए क्या आ रहा है output? 10. Value of A, B, C colon 10, 20, 30. So by default is a separator is what? Space. Actually print statement internally provided. ठीक है. Print statement internally provided one attribute. One नहीं, actually 2 attribute. First we discuss first attribute, separate. SEP stand for separator. SEPERATOR, separator. ठीक है. What is the meaning of separator? You know, when I'm printing the value A, B, C, D, then what happened? The happening is this: they take a single space, है ना? So the default separator between the arguments is a space, single space, right? If you modify that default separator, if you want your customized separator, sir, I don't want space here. I want some other sign. I want some other thing there. So you can happily do this. And how can we apply? Just I am showing you. Just wait. Okay. And here I'm showing. Yeah, you know, print. I'm taking some constant 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You know what is the output? Space. My requirement is, sir, print, and I don't want space, comma, SEP. देखिए after a comma this argument you can pass. Attribute है print statement का, by default क्या होता है? Space. लेकिन my requirement is, sir, in the single code you have to pass. So my requirement is hash sign between the numbers as a default separator. So happily possible you can see 10, 20, 30, 10 hash 20, 30. यानी कि at place of space, what we get now? We get a hash sign. Okay, you can apply some another thing. Sir, every separator I want plus sign. Happily possible. And this is, sir, every separator I want 3 plus sign. Happily possible. ठीक है. So at place of a default separator, you can use any other separator here. Okay. ठीक है. The next thing is here end, and if we writing end here, the another separator is what? End separator. Another separator is what? End separate. End. Another attribute is end. ठीक है, end. So what happened with end? You know, you understand this, right? Another one thing we had end. एंड के केस में क्या है बच्चों? एंड के केस में ये बाय डिफॉल्ट जो सेपरेटर लेता है वो लेता है बैकस्लैश एन. बाय डिफॉल्ट सेपरेटर यहाँ पे क्या है? बैकस्लैश एन. इफ वी यूज बैकस्लैश एन हियर, बाय डिफॉल्ट ये है इस प्रिंट के अंदर. अगर हम ये यूज नहीं करते हैं तो हम यहाँ पर अपनी तरफ से कोई सेपरेटर दे सकते हैं. लेट्स सपोज 10, 20, 30, आई एम यूजिंग सेपरेटर इक्वल टू स्टार 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 and comma and equal to I am using some dollar. ठीक है, and I am giving some output here. I am using here 100, 10, 220, 330, and one more line we have. Find out the give me output. Give me output of this statement. $10, $20, $30, $sign, then 110 star 220 star 330 and $sign 10, 20, 30 and at the rate. This will be the output of this simple statement. Okay, this type of statement may be asked in the examination sometime because 11th का बच्चों उसमें आता है, इस वजह से ये बेसिक चीजें मैं आपको कंप्लीट करा रहा हूं. ठीक है, this is the output. Please consider the output and check it again. 10, 20, 30 separated by star star star. After the end of 30 there will be $3 sign. Again 10, 110 star 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 220 star 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 330 star 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 and again $3 sign here. In the next 10 column 20 column 30 and at the rate will be the output. Okay, चलिए, it is just a simple test. तो केवल एक ही बच्चे का ही क्लियर हुआ. Now the second thing is variable assignment with a single value. ठीक है, we can assign a multiple variable, or should I say multiple variable assignment with a single value. What happened here? How can we do this? Just see a comma b comma c equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. And what happened with this statement? It is very easy. 10 will be assigned to a, 20 will be assigned to b and 30 will assign to c. ठीक है, but remember the number of variables equivalent to number of values या number of values equivalent to number of variables. ठीक है, remember one this. And another second type of assignment is there. ठीक है, multiple variable assignment with single value नहीं, with different values. ठीक है, DIFFERENT. ठीक है, और again is multiple variable assignment with single value. ठीक है, अब सिंगल वैल्यू के साथ मल्टीपल कैसे करेंगे? तो a इक्वल टू b इक्वल टू c इक्वल टू d and again 100. In that case 100 will be assigned to d, 100 will be assigned to c and 100 will assign to b and 100 will assign to by a single value. यहाँ पे with की जगह लिख देते हैं by a single value and by different values. There are the two type of assignment and बाकी one individual assignment is there, like a equal to 10, b equal to 20 and so on, like a single value assignment is there. ठीक है, so we can use this type of assignments Okay, and if we're talking about a swapping code, ठीक है, it is very easy by using the Python. So I am taking 10 and another I am taking 20, ठीक है. If I am taking a comma b equal to b comma a, so my swapping will be completed. Then what happen here, the value of b will be assigned to a, the value of a will be assigned to b. So what is the meaning of swapping here, that let's suppose maybe somewhere requirement, I have two boxes, one box is a and one box is b. इन एट ऐसे शॉप, किसी शॉप पर मेरे पास यहाँ पर दो चीजें हैं, सेशन विल, हाँ, दो चीजें यहाँ पर मेरी हैं, ठीक है. तो व्हाट हैपन हेयर कि इसमें कुछ सामान है और इसमें कुछ सामान है, ठीक है. इसमें है 10 सामान है मेरा 10, इसमें है 20, बट बाय मिस्टेक दुकानदार ने ये गलत पैक कर दिया. 10 इसमें जो है वो इसमें आना चाहिए था, 20 इसमें जाना चाहिए था. तो without changing the boxes, I need to change the value. If I need to change the value without changing the boxes, so swapping concept will be there. Okay, and how can we do the swapping? Swapping can be applied, 20 को मैं इधर भेज दूं और 10 को मैं इधर भेज दूं. This is my requirement. Understand the problem? We have two boxes and we have some data in the boxes. ठीक है, कुछ भी समान है. Without changing the boxes, I required to change the data. I required to change the things whatever we have in the boxes. तो हम कैसे करेंगे, ये वैल्यू को मैं यहाँ पहुंचाना और इस वैल्यू को मुझे यहाँ पहुंचाना है. तो मैंने क्या किया, a के पास 10 है, b के पास 20 है. By helping this code, I can do this a comma b equal to b comma a. And let's see the output. First. I'm printing here. Print a comma b, ठीक है. And after this statement I'm using a comma b, and here I'm doing comments, ठीक है. Hash is used to comment the things, and I do F5. Okay, intended and expected, done. Yeah, it's done. A की value 10, b की value 20, and a की value 20, b की value